Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I have a large problem, and that is the fact I've got a big area in my house and needed a sofa to fill it. Luckily, CHIC House, thank you guys for sending us the Moniker Cloud series. This is an 8-piece sofa. Come here, I'm going to show you. We brought in one piece already, and this thing is like a cloud. I am super stoked to get this whole thing put together. Really rib design, very comfortable design, very soft, fluffy. Oh my gosh, my kids, I've got 3 kids, a wife, and 2 dogs, and we're going to absolutely love this thing, but this is going to be huge. Absolutely going to be excited to put this thing together. We're going to show you guys how easy it is to put together, and then we're going to fill this space. We got 8 boxes of this furniture. Everything comes pretty well pre-assembled. There's a little bit of minor assembly that has to get done, but it came packaged extremely well with the instructions in each set. And again, any hardware boxes, of course, that are provided in there for that. Now, these are compressed in here for some of the cushions. So, of course, once you get them set out, you're going to want to let them sit for 24 to 72 hours to let them fluff out to their full fluffiness. But we're going to go ahead and get this as one of the ottomans, get it unpacked, and then start unpacking the rest of this. So to do this corner piece here, you just simply push these brackets in here. Very easy to do. And then this is going to slide into here, and it's going to lock into place in this bracket. Simple as that. And then this other piece is going to go on the corner. Same way, had one of those pieces there, snaps right into here, and this piece is going to interlock over here. Another great feature about these is each piece has its little cloth that slips on. So if you ever did happen to spill something, this can easily slide off, which I think is fantastic. You can do that. But they're all held on by a hook and loop fabric down around the bottom. So very easy to do. Just slide them down over the top of this, and then that other part is going to fit right around the outside edge. And you've got the entire thing put together. Again, provides a nice seamless transition to get this thing put on here. Really liking this fabric. It's a really great, comfortable material. Once you've got that cover on there, the only other step you got is to put the feet on. This just is provided with the feet. You get provided with the washer piece, and then this hexagonal bolt here that's going to go on there and just go into pre-provided holes. Kind of get it started. And they provide you with the Allen wrench that can go on there to tighten that down. So we're just going to easily tighten that down. Again, super easy. This is probably one of the easier sofas I think I've ever had to put together. And then once that is down on there, just going to tighten it down. They're going to provide you with the skid feet that you can use. So if you're going to put this on wood floor like we're going to do, we're going to use these little felt pads that they've provided that have some adhesive. You just peel that off. It's a sticky pad. It's just going to go right on the bottom. If you were putting this on carpet, you could skip that step, and that would help it keep it from sliding around on the carpet. Super stoked. This thing is absolutely enormous, but it's going to be so much fun for our family to get here in front of the television. One of the last steps we've got is we're letting the rest of these cushions kind of expand to their full potential here, is that they do provide you with these chrome-plated brackets, and these basically allow you to take this modular sofa and kind of more secure it in place. So once you kind of get the form that you want, it's real simple. You just locate these little slits in here. It's got a little insert point there. We're going to insert one of them in there, do the same thing on the other side, and then just push down, and it locks that into place. That kind of gives it where these are not going to flow apart, and we're going to do the same thing for this one here. Locate the slit, locate the piece there, and just push these two together, push down on that, and that'll help hold all that together. So now that all will become one solid unit. So what I'm going to do is actually going to go ahead and connect all these outside pieces, but leave the 2 center ones detached so that we can then push them out and create a giant U-shaped piece for a majority of the time. But when it comes time for family time, movie night, you can cram them back in here and you have this huge double wide that anybody can sprawl out on. It's going to be great. One of the great things that I like about this sofa is the fact that it is so modular. It was so easy to put together, and the fact that all of these pillows on here are removable. You can easily take these off. If you had to wash them, you could easily do that because they're zippered on there with that. You can move them around, put them wherever you need to. This fabric that's on this is absolutely fantastic. This cloud fabric, you can see it's got this built-in like rib texture to it, but it's also extremely soft. Really like that. So it's really cozy, really comfortable. It's got a lot of comfort in this sofa, to be sure. But this is a great sofa for us and the kids. We've got it set up in this U-shaped design just for versatility of being able to get in and out of the room. But like I said before, come movie night, we're going to push those in here and have like a giant bed that we can all just lay on and really enjoy the show. It's going to be a great choice. So this is how easy this is to do. Just simply move pieces out of the way. These center pieces, you can push them right into here. We'll slide them right in. And now we're ready to go for movie night. Super easy, very versatile, and I cannot believe how comfortable this sofa is.